Okay, let's have a look at, I'm gonna butcher the name, Gizework. Is it right? Hopefully it is. Sorry if it's not. You're a full stack web developer, LMS developer, React Next.js. Okay, bunch of keywords. I would probably like to see something else instead of keyword stuffing. I think that's kind of an old tactic. I would add 1 or 2 specialized profiles to have more room for those keywords. You have more room for skills, and it just completes your profile. I like that you're not starting with hi, my name is whatever, but I think you want to have a better hook because again, the client probably sees like this much when they're seeing the preview, and this doesn't tell me much. I like that you have the why work with me, you have the bullet points, what sets me apart. Here, it's kind of jumbled. I think this is a lot of information. And one question that I always have for people like this, and it doesn't mean that it's wrong, but it's something for you to think about. Does your ideal client understand any of these things? Because if they don't, delete it. If the client just cares about the end result, they don't give a shit what your technical expertise is. They just want to know that you've done it before and that you can do it again for them. Now, if the client is tech savvy, sure. I think we're trying a bit too hard for SEO and keywords. There's room for that, but you can write for human first with a little bit of robot energy there. You don't need to do the whole thing. I like the paragraphs and the bullet points, but I think a lot of this information is too much. Oh my shit! Okay, again, don't want to be mean, but you don't need to stuff the keywords here. I've never done it, and I've gotten many clients. This doesn't do what you want it to do. Instead of this, what would help you rank would be to create a specialized profile. On your main profile, you can list 15 skills. On your specialized profile, you have no limit. So you can put all those keywords as skills on your specialized profile and leave your profile clean. But onto the good parts, I really like that you have seemingly a ton of portfolio pieces, and they all have images, which I love, and they have descriptions. I think this part is great, but definitely better ways to rank your profile for sure. I like that you have employment history and other experiences. Unfortunately, I don't have employment history because I've never been employed outside of freelancing, and I like that you have the GitHub linked. I think you're doing great stuff here, just not in a copy. Maybe copy and paste this into ChatGPT or Uma or any other AI that you like to use and ask it to dumb it down and simplify that like 10 times. Shorten it, make it succinct, because you can definitely say a lot without saying a lot. You know what I mean? So that's what I would do. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions, if you want me to review other profiles. Send me a message on Instagram. I think that's the best way. I figured, yeah, YouTube isn't a big fan of links, so send me a DM, same user,